What's up, guys? Check it out. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So check it out. I already said that. My homeboy is on his way over here. He just picked up I think it's a 2008 Z06. He want me to take a look at it. Came all the way from California. Got a great deal on it. Can't wait to check it out. He should be over here shortly, and I'm going to show it to you all as well. Man, I thought I heard something. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. This is not stock, bro.
It's not?
No, it's not stock. It's on cam. OMG.
That some bitch is pulling too.
Bruh, I heard you coming and I was like,
I don't even know I should be.
this motherfucker ain't. I'm like, this thing is not stock.
It started trying to pull as I move it. I don't know what kind of tires it was.
Proxies. They almost are, but not quite. They almost like slicks. Kind of like the ones that I got back there. OMG. Man, you got a monster. That's not, dude.
We're gonna start pipe.
No, it's not. You got a $1,500 exhaust. You got a bull exhaust on this bitch. Which $1,500 aftermarket exhaust. So in other words, and as loud as it is, I'm thinking it's probably like a boiler attack, which is kind of like the boiler version. Like mine is a Corsa Extreme, which is like the loudest one you can get. So that would be the loudest version you can get of a boiler, from boiler, boiler.
I got that stuck on. I don't know what. I'm scared to push it because I don't know. Chad, I ain't had it checked out. But I got on the freeway while I was going. I just hit it. Man, that sucker. Whew.
OMG.
I feel like it's pulling while I'm steady, just going like 20 miles an hour.
Yes, sir. That's that LS7. That's that LS7.
Then that's why I text you about the temperature.
Yeah.
Like, man,
it's kind of toasty, but I mean, even stock, mine was running around it. Oh, let's look at these goodies. You already got headers. Check.
Oh, those are different headers?
Mm-hmm. Which I figured that, which with it being that loud, that's kind of like a given. So you got headers, look like 7/8 headers on that bad boy. So you ain't got to spend no money on that.
That's man, the way this sucker pull, I said, man, I don't.
So with the exhaust alone, you're not at stock power. I can tell you that right now. You probably at about, turn it on again. Cam, that's what I'm trying to see what kind of, it sounds like it got a cam in it. Sounds like it may have maybe like a stage 2 cam, like a small cam in it. OMG. That look like you got an aftermarket balancer on it with an ARP balancer bolt in it. So that's probably like an ATI balancer, may even be an overdrive. I can't really tell. An overdrive balancer. So that's aftermarket. I don't know if that fan is stock or not. The radiator is still stock. Bruh. I took these off mine.
Put this shit back on.
You got a snap on there. I think it's snap on the nails.
Oh, something I don't even know.
Like that, cut snap right there on the fuel rail. Let's see, what is air raid? Air raid is, I can't think of what air raid is.
You got on it?
Did I? I think so.
Oh, yeah, I just put the bitch back off.
Yeah, it just kind of snap on there. Let's see. You got, what kind of wires you got? Bruh. You got a monster. You are not at stock power. I would say, if I had to guess,
That's 550.
if it's got a cam, probably around maybe around 525, maybe 550.
You know me, that's more enough.
Especially with a manual too. That's crazy. These tires still got some rubber on there, but you know, you just kind of want to be careful in the rain.
This is something that I noticed that when I was sitting up on the truck, that's what I was telling you about. All this is loose. I think whoever who did something may have hit something here.
Let's see. This just snapped out.
Yeah, I won't just buy
The
it.
clip.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The clip broke. That's easy. That's an easy fix.
Will that keep that solid like that? I guess it will. Wouldn't it?
Probably so. It'll be. I don't know how this is connected.
It feel like a bolt is messing up under there or something.
That's easy.
Yeah.
That's very low. Yeah, very low
I
cost.
was more worried about the motor being right.
The motor's right. The motor is right. Okay, let me see. Let's look at these heads. It's 8452.
Bitch out in the sun.
Cause that's correct.
Yeah.
But again, I always say you gotta remember, it's a 2000. We say 8.
Yeah, this motherfucker over 20 some years old.
So looking at it, from my eye, this motherfucker's amazing.
Oh yeah, nah, I ain't worried about that little shit.
All of this is good.
Yeah.
The plastic is good.
I don't think I'm gonna do it. Probably take it to my car and have him
Oh yeah.
do a little paint job on the motherfucker.
All right, so let's see, cause when it like some over here that we were talking about.
Yeah, this part right here is what throws me off. Like it's like something had hit right here.
Yeah, it's probably been.
Something right there.
All right, so this is what I thought. That's that's just clear coat.
Yeah, clear coat, yeah.
I was thinking, dude, that's for the price you got. This is kind of. He done tap something, and he done tap something.
Yeah. So at the worst case, I can just get a new fender because you can take these bitches off on video.
Right.
So.
Or either maybe it just needs to be because if somebody was getting rid of it. I mean, you said you did the Carfax, so.
Yeah, I didn't see no reg, but you know, you can take it to mom and pop shop.
Yeah.
Over here, everything lines up perfectly.
So it could be just a matter of somebody half-ass put it back on.
Could be, yeah. But if it's still good.
Yeah. For all of this.
I was comparing it to this one.
Let's see.
Goes in and goes out.
Oh, man.
So, I don't know.
I love it. I love it. This nigga got the boiler. I don't think you realize what you got, to tell you the truth.
I just know when I started up that cold start, that motherfucker sounded good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That right there was making me so excited. Then I didn't got y'all free $10 for that. I said, I'm good.
Yeah, another reason why it's loud. They did a well, no, that looked like it.
It said somebody no cats.
Yeah, they did. It looked like a cat delete. So that's one reason why you got headers and no cats. It's gonna be loud. One thing I do notice is something done melted on the pipe up under here.
It's like a bag. I saw that.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's too far back for it to be anything
It
serious.
looked like a piece of plastic because I saw up under it when it was up on
Oh, you didn't see it? Oh, okay.
yeah, when it was up on the whatchamacallit.
Mm-hmm. A little water leaking. I don't see no oil. You know, stuff like that is the main thing.
See It's got a water leak?
Yeah, that's just condensation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it ain't no big deal.
I mean, right.
Ooh,
It came with these.
you got jack pucks.
Yeah.
Because you're going to need them.
You can tell somebody been working on it. They had to
Yes,
put
sir.
the battery on it yesterday.
Got your battery back here.
Battery wasn't expensive, $160. Either that or he
That's
went and
not
bought the
bad.
cheapest one.
That's pretty cheap. That ain't normally about Duralast. I wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah.
I remember I was racing a C6 Z06 on Beltline. And he was, I think I had about 600 then. And he was pulling on me because I kept spinning. Because I had street tires on there before I had radials. And I'm like, man, he driving just smooth. You know, we both hitting, and meanwhile, I'm just throttling mine, pedaling mine, trying to keep it straight. See that light did come on over there.
Check it, light came on and traction control. Pedaling drive. It's just sitting on there now.
Service traction system.
Now I'm checking the light come on.
Yeah. Let me get back. We can see if that's something different. It's probably the same code, just showing.
Come on like that at you. 5. I mean, does a misfire happen the way she's driving?
Man, this thing kind of damn near feel almost as quick as mine. I'm gonna have to race you. That's one thing about the manuals. When you downshift, you can feel it.
Oh yeah, you can feel them up to jerk.
See what Stephanie don't understand is, yeah, you got a C7, yeah, you got this, but to you, this drives nothing like that other one.
Nah.
It's true. You know, one of them may as well be a Camaro, and the other one, you know what I'm saying? It's not the same.
That was just a date night.
Exactly, it's not the same.
Nah, nothing the same, bro.
Mm-mm.
Now when you hit this, nah.
This is not even the same as mine. Just for the simple fact that it's a manual.
That's, I don't know why, but that's why I wanted it. Especially like when I go to work, I jump on 114 and 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody on it. And when I get on 35 West,
Just hit it. So here's my thought too. So you done made like kind of like a little couple pulls, and your temperature is still up under that 120. So I feel like you fine as far as cooling. Can you imagine how loud that is outside?
yeah, man, I'm telling you, bro, ain't nothing like that, man.
There's nothing like it.
If that Grand Sport did that, I'd be scared. Something went wrong with me.
Bruh. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Oh my God, my neighbor's gonna kill me. Oh man, I don't know what it is about these C6s, but, and especially Z06s, but that car just gave me a baby chub. I ain't gonna even lie. It is so funky and clean. That is not a stock Z6. Auction car, bought off auction, sight unseen. And I don't know about you, besides the check engine light, which should be minor, shouldn't be too much. Maybe it's just a plug or a wire or something like that. Who knows? But it's still pulling strong, so I'm assuming it's not nothing too difficult to fix or too expensive. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this one.